Crush it! Crushing! Boom. Oopsie. Look what I can do with my tail! Crushing it! Crushing! I just wanna hug you. Let me hug you. Let me do it. Stomp. Stomp. And kick. Kick. Stomp. Stomp. And crush. Crush it. Crush it. Crush it. Spontaneous science. Hey there. Welcome to Spontaneous Science. And once again, we are here at home, but here at home for a good reason, because we need the stove in this experiment today. So, let's just get straight to it, because I want to crush some things. So, our experiment today. Here are our ingredients. We have an iced bowl, a bowl full of ice. That's what you're going to need. Or a container full of ice, or cold water, just cold water. And then you're going to need one of these cooking measuring cups. And then you're going to need water. Water, maybe not that much, and we're not sponsored by Polar Springs. And then you're going to need soda. So fitting. Crush. And you're going to need some tongs. And you will also need your parents' supervision, because we are dealing with hot things, hot boiling water, and we don't need any burns on account of spontaneous science. So, here we go. So what we're going to do, we are going to empty all these soda cans. And there's only one way to do that. Drink up. One. Three. Four. Five. Halfway. Seven. Did I mention I hate orange soda? Whew. Oh. Alright. We really only need one can. But we're going big. We're going big, so we need all the cans that we need. So I think we got all the cans that we need, entire 12 cans of soda. Or just cans. So we don't need that anymore. Alright, next we're going to fill our water bowl full of water, so that when it comes time for it, we'll have it ready. Alright, now we're going to take our water and fill each can up with 1/3 of water. So, just about there, each can. Once you have finished filling up all the cans, or your can, you can set this stuff off to the side. And then, we are going to take one can at a time and place it on a burner. And you're going to place it, make sure I get the right one. You're going to place it between medium and medium high. So about 6 or 7. Place on a 6 or 7 for about 5 minutes. So we are going to let that heat up for about 5 minutes and talk about what is going to happen when I take the can and place it into the cold, cold, cold ice water. So what happens here is a thing called water vapor and air pressure. Air pressure work against each other. So what's going to happen is the can is now filled with water and air, and since it is heating up, it's going to create a gas. It's going to turn the water into a gas, and that gas is called a water vapor. So the vapor that is boiling, that is coming from the boiling water, is pushed out of the can. When I place it into the water, that water vapor is cooled suddenly by inverting in the water. So the water vapor is inverting and it's converting. So when the water vapor is condensed, what happens when it's put inside the water? The pressure inside the can can become very much less than the air pressure outside the can. Air pressure is all around us. It's like hitting us constantly. The water vapor becomes condensed and the pressure inside the can becomes much less than the air pressure outside. And so then the outside can crushed the can. It's going to crush the can. So we'll wait. All right, so I think our can is ready, and the reason why it's ready is because when the can is ready, you'll see a steady stream of steam coming out of the can. So we're going to take our tongs, snip, snip, and grasp it really good. Let's see if this works. Okay. Okay. And there's our can. Crushed. Didn't even have to use anything. All right, one can down. Alright, and there we have it. Some cans crushed so much, but some cans did not. Some cans just like went, and that's it. But, so that is our experiment for today. Once again, please have your parent supervision during this experiment, and please be careful with it. It is a fun experiment, but also dangerous. Keep that in mind when you do this spontaneous science experiment. And until next time, this is